introducing to you the politicals of Acholi, the politics of Acholi. Here is the location of Acholi district, where the Acholi people stay. This district comes from Uganda. This is Amuru district. Amuru district is a district in northern Uganda, like most Ugandan districts. It is named after its chief town, Amuru, where the district headquarters is located. Now, let's summarize Amuru. It's located in Uganda, as I said earlier. The coordinates are 02 degree, 50 north, 33 degree, 05 to the eastern direction. The region is northern Uganda. The sub-region is Acholi sub-region. The capital is Amuru. The area, the total area, it is 3,625.9 kilometers square, which is 1,400 square miles. According to 2012 population census, Amuru was 178,000 people, but I believe right now it is far much ahead of that. The population density, Amuru is 49.3 kilometers square. The population is 49.3 kilometers per square, which in miles, it is 128 people per square mile. That's the population density of the beloved district Amuru. The time zone is UTC +3, that is East African time. Now let's get deep into the location. Amuru district is bordered by Jumani district to the north, which harbors the Mighty, which is disturbing the Amuru people a lot. South Sudan and Lamore district to the northeast, Gulu district to the east, Noaya district to the south, Nebi district to the southwest, and Arua district to the west. The administrative headquarters of Amuru lies at 60 kilometers, that's 37 miles, northwest of Gulu, the largest city in the sub-region. That is the location. Amuru district was established by the Ugandan parliament in the year 2006. Prior to that, the district was part of Gulu district. Amuru district, together with Agawu district, Gulu district, Ketgum district, Lamore district, Noai district, and Pade district, is part of the larger Acholi sub-region, home to an estimated 1.5 million Acholi, according to the statistic in the previous years, which by now it is far much beyond. In fact, the 1.5 million statistic is according to 2002 population census. That means we are far beyond that one now. The district is predominantly a rural district, lacking any tarmac road despite its size. The 1991 population census estimated the district at a total of 88,700 people. The 2002 population census estimated Amuru to be inhabited by 135,000. The district population grew at an annual rate at 2.8% between the year 2002 to 2012. It is estimated that the population of the district in the year 2012 was between an estimate 178,800. The economic activity in Amuru district is mostly subsistence agriculture, which is also the backbone of Uganda's economy and the backbone of district's economy. This employs 98% of the total population. Arable land, which makes up about 90% of the total land area in the district, is very fertile. That's why some other tribes are now trying to enter into it. However, during the last 20 years, less than 1% of the land was utilized for agriculture on accounts of insecurity caused by the presence of the Lord's resistance army war in Acholi sub. With the return of the security to northern Uganda in 2006, the situation was expected to improve. The crops raised in Amuru district include cotton, tobacco, maize, millet, sorghum, sweet potatoes, cassava, simsim, beans, peas, sunflower, upland rice, and groundnut. Although my personal research in Amuru in 2018 and 19, being a professional in agriculture, indicates that Amuru can still be able to accommodate a good number of crops, including apple, avocado, tubers of Irish potatoes, even coffee, banana can be grown very successfully in Amuru district. Just a matter of mindset change. Thank you for knowing your district of Acholi. If you love Acholi, you have known Amuru district. If you're a traveler, that is where you should, and that's what you should consider if you're thinking of going to Amuru. Thank you very much, and I hope if you have not yet subscribed, do to meet me another. Thank you.